Lovelies, let me catch you up with the vlog. So I'm out with mom. We are headed somewhere to get some stuff for my business. I'm going to be sharing it soon. Hopefully I'll do a full vlog on that. So it's just me and mom. First of all, we met at a restaurant, then we had a drink before we headed out to Islay. My knotless braids were made by a guy, a salonist guy who's just around my place. And by the way, for the first time I've had braids and they are super painless. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. They're so painless. Like, I don't, even when I try to style it, for the first few days I did not feel any pain at all. And like the other times when I used to braid and then you don't sleep. So this guy is totally recommendable.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across.
So after shopping we decided to go back to town with an Uber. So we just ordered one and then it took us to Tao, where I got a matatu back home.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
Not me paying for a seat for my luggage. There's no way I was going to let those people put it down carelessly. So I decided to pay for a seat, and it was much comfortable and I felt safe with it right there.
Fast.
1,000 years later.
Well, introducing Kin's Fashion to you guys. So I know those who follow me on Instagram, I've already seen my post on the business. So I'm just here to tell all those who don't know that we have a page on Instagram. It's Kin's Fashion, and then we also have a TikTok account also, Kin's Fashion, where we post our products. We sell mostly bags. So we also have sweaters, but we deal mostly on handbags. We have 4-piece, we have 2-piece, we have sling bags. So just make sure you go to our page, make your order, and then we'll deliver to you wherever you are. Good morning from this side of the world. Today we are having chapo and mayai for breakfast. I'll take you along to work. Let's hope we'll have a clear picture of how our day goes. So ever since I opened my own business, I'm going to work with my baby. So we just have breakfast and then we leave. Lunch, we either sort ourselves out there or we carry our own packed lunch. So let's go. I cannot get bread. She's been eating a lot of bread lately, and then there's tea. No, tunakunywa chai ya cocoa. And then our food right here. This is what we brought for hey, the beauty of having your own place of work. Unaweza beba anything. Maybe I like it. This is liver, and then ugali, and then we have some kienyeji mboga down there. Ella loves it. It is not yet lunchtime, okay?
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. How come I keep chasing? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. How come I keep chasing? I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious, and got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say,
Next thing, I'm going to remove my makeup and sleep with it. I still have makeup on at 12, but it's because I was shooting. Actually, I played it at I think 10. I had to shoot a few videos. Now I want to sleep. Let's do this.